Does your roof really need to be replaced, or is the roofer just trying to sell you one? That's one of the most common questions homeowners ask us, and honestly, it's a fair question. A roof is a major investment, so you shouldn't agree to replace it simply because someone stood in your driveway and said you need one. Here's the truth. A few damaged, lifted, or missing shingles do not automatically mean the entire roof needs to be replaced. In many cases, localized damage can still be repaired. But there are also situations where a small, visible problem is only one sign of a much larger issue. The difference between those two situations comes down to a proper inspection and whether the roofer is willing to show you the evidence. When we inspect a roof, we're looking at much more than one damaged shingle. First, how old is the roof? A repair may make sense on a younger roof with plenty of service life remaining. On an older roof that's already deteriorating in several areas, that same repair may only be a temporary patch. Second, how widespread is the damage? One isolated area is very different from damage across multiple slopes. Third, can the existing shingles still be matched? If the original product is discontinued or the shingles have become brittle, repairing one section without damaging the surrounding area may be difficult. We also look for signs of leaking, damaged flashing, soft or deteriorated decking, poor ventilation, previous repairs, and problems around penetrations such as vents and chimneys. Here's what homeowners should understand. A good repair should solve a specific problem and provide reasonable value. If the repair is likely to fail soon, or if new problems are already developing in other areas, replacement may be the more responsible long-term recommendation, but you deserve to know why. Before agreeing to either option, ask the roofer to show you close-up photos or video of what they found. Ask these 3 questions. Can this damage be repaired? How long should that repair reasonably last? And what evidence shows that replacement is necessary? A trustworthy contractor should be able to explain the repair option, the replacement option, and the advantages and limitations of each without using pressure or fear to force a decision. At Steel Country Home Restorations, our goal is to help you understand the condition of your roof before you spend your money. We'll inspect it, document what we find, and explain which options make sense for your home. Sometimes the right answer is a new roof. Sometimes it's a straightforward repair. Either way, you should see the damage, understand your options, and feel confident in your decision. If you're unsure about a recommendation you've received, contact Steel Country Home Restorations and ask about a complimentary roof inspection. Subscribe for more straightforward answers to the questions homeowners ask most. And remember, don't just take someone's word for it. Ask to see the evidence.